In today's video, I am going to teach you how to randomly sort people into groups in Excel. This is a simple method you can use anytime you have a list of people and you want to assign them to groups in a fair, random way. The approach we are using relies on two Excel formulas and then a quick refresh to scramble the results instantly. First, click cell B2 next to the first person's name. Take a moment to look at your spreadsheet so you know you are working in the correct column. In the example layout, column B will hold a random value that will decide the ordering. After you click B2, type =rand and press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, Excel will generate a random number for that row. It is important to understand that rand creates a new random decimal each time the sheet recalculates, which is exactly what we want for random group assignment. Next, drag the formula down from B2 to B6. You can do this by grabbing the small fill handle in the lower right corner of the cell and pulling it downward until you reach B6. While you are doing this, you should see Excel fill the cells with new random values for each person. This step matters because each person needs their own random number, so the later ranking can order everyone differently. Now that column B is filled with random numbers, we will convert those random values into group numbers. Move your focus to cell C2, which is where the group number will go for the first person. Click C2, then type =roundup rank B2 $B$2 $B$6/20 and press Enter. This formula assigns a position based on the ranking of the random value in column B. Then it divides by 2, rounds the result up, and returns whole numbers for the group labels. The use of $B$2 $B$6 with $signs locks the range so the formula always compares against the same set of random values as you copy it down. After entering the formula in C2, drag it down to C6. Make sure you extend the fill handle until you cover the group column for all listed people. As you drag, Excel will automatically adjust the reference to B2 for each row while keeping the ranking range fixed. When the formulas are in place, each person should now have a group number in column C, based on their relative position in the random list. At this point, your groups are assigned, but they are not yet randomized in the way you likely want on demand. Excel calculates formulas automatically, yet we still need a quick way to instantly refresh the randomness. To do that, press the F9 key. When you press F9, Excel recalculates the sheet, which means the rand values in column B will change, and the ranking-based group formula in column C will update accordingly. You should see the group numbers scramble immediately after pressing F9. This is the key part of the workflow because it lets you generate a new random assignment in seconds. If you press F9 again, you will get another different grouping. This makes it easy to keep trying until you are satisfied with the distribution, or until the randomness feels right for your activity. Finally, you can review the results in both columns. Column B shows the random values used for ranking, and column C shows the resulting group numbers. If you want to verify everything is working correctly, scan across the list and confirm that every person has a group number and that the numbers change when you press F9. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.